Hello, this is me again, and we are continuing on our quest to build a computer in what? I clicked on the wrong map. To build a computer in People Playground of some sort. I think we're gonna have to settle for a calculator, because the computer is just too much considering how large the gates are. Speaking of the gates, I realized that I made them all vertical, so I am going to rotate them this way because that makes them more compact, or it makes it easier to build with. What did I spawn? I spawned an AND gate. So, hold on. Good. Okay. I'm just doing this for all the gates right now. NOR gate, come to me. NOR not, okay. OR gate. That was a headache last time. XNOR. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This gate is huge. Let's just appreciate this. Hold on. I'm testing it again. Alright. Should be outputting 1 right now. If I activate this. Good. That might be a problem. There we go. Hold on, I've lost track. Great, that should be everything fixed. So yeah. Good. Great. That's all working now. What the? Okay, that's not good. Okay, so on. Okay. Good. Great. Now the XOR gate. The prerequisite to that nightmare. Great. If I could spell, that would be just peachy. Okay, so we have now rotated all of the gates to the side, and so we're going to build a half adder. Basically what it does is it adds 2 bits, and it does not take carry as an input. So, schematic. Google is quite helpful. Okay, so it's an XOR gate and an AND gate. Where's my AND gate? There it is. Look how small the AND gate is in comparison to the XOR gate. Alright. So these are going to be our 2 inputs. I wish there was a text function in this game. That way I could label stuff easier. Anyway. Oh boy. Wouldn't it be helpful if I froze them in place? That would be helpful, wouldn't it? I'm not going to label the input of the half adder, because right now it doesn't matter. For a half subtractor it might. But this is not a half subtractor, so... I will, however, label the outputs, because that does matter. So this is going to be... Once again, I need to learn to freeze my stuff. Good idea. Okay. So this output is the sum. Once again, freezing my stuff. It's important, despite what my brain may think. I want to try to keep this compact, but it is still important to, label your stuff. Otherwise, you'll forget what it is. So I will do that. Won't forget to freeze it this time. There. That's clear, right? I think that's clear. Great. Now let's just attach cathode ray tubes to this. Yeah, no. Alright, what's the truth table of a half adder? So if my input is 0, 0, it should be 0, 0, right? But if I input 0, 1, the sum should be 1. If I input another 0, 1, the sum should also be 1. But if I input both, the sum should turn off, and the carry should be 1. Good. We now have a functioning half adder. Great. I can compactify this a bit. I know it doesn't seem like much, but every bit of space matters when you're going to be building something huge. Alright, so let's just save this as a half adder. Where is it? And if I spawn it in, boom, half adder. Good. Okay, now let's go find a full adder schematic. Can I do this? Okay. Okay. So here is our full adder. We have 2 half adders. That is way too close for comfort. But see, the thing about this half adder, we also need an OR gate. Where's my OR gate? Here it is. All right. So this OR gate is our carry out, or our carry. And we don't need these labels right now. I'll keep the sum label just because I'll need it in a minute. But everything else I don't need. And I can smush this together if I pause the simulation. Great. Just great. Okay. And then, so the output of the carries of these half adders go into this OR gate, which determines if there's a carry on the entire half adder. And then the sum, well, let's set up our inputs real quick. That seems like a good idea. We have, in this full adder, 3 inputs. We have A and B, which I'm not going to label, because why? And then we have our carry in. which I am going to label. Good, that's still there. Is it all frozen? Yes, good. So the output of A and B feeds into this half adder. Then the carry of the half adder goes to the OR, that makes sense. But the sum of this half adder goes to the it goes to input B of this half adder, and the input of the carry goes there. So now we can smush it all together and compactify. Perfect. Slots in nicely. And the output of the half adder is up there. It's that sum. So once again, I'm going to attach the cathode ray tubes. And we'll look at the truth table for a half. Oh boy. Thought I lost it. Okay. We have a lot of things to test here. No. Of course it didn't freeze the cathode rays. No, why would I do that? Why would I do something smart? Stay! And do not move! Okay, that makes sense. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. If the carry gets a 1, I expect a 1 in the sum. Good. If B gets a 1, I expect a 1 in the sum. Good. The lag is already terrible. Okay. So I've confirmed that when you have 1 and 1, they will all get 1 to the sum. But if I have 2, I better expect 1 in the carry. Good. Good. Okay, we're back to our initial state. And if I activate all 3 of them, I expect 1 in the sum and 1 in the carry. Yes! Okay. So we have a working full adder. Good, 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 good. Now, we're going to take on a very daunting task. Making a... What? I can clear everything. Alright, so 8-bit adder schematic. 8-bit full adder schematic. Oh boy! I'm sorry, what? That, no. Okay, this helps. Kind of. Don't tell me how to rebuild a full adder. I don't need that. Oh, wow, thanks. Tell me how to ugh, okay. There's that other one I looked at that made a bit more sense. Okay. So we have to have... This is going to have a lot of inputs, is the only problem. Oh, simulation was not paused. Okay. So this is the first input set of our full adder, or 8-bit adder, really. This is the second input set. I will move both of these a lot higher into the air because I do not think there we go. Alright, input set 1 and input set 2. I'm not labeling it because why? Alright. Where's my half adder? Okay. So first, I have to feed the inputs of these numbers into the half adder. Okay, that makes sense. Then, Jesus, that's huge. Oh, I didn't actually remove those cathode ray tubes when I saved it. Well, that's not very helpful, is it? Okay. So my full adder should no longer... Okay. Okay. All of this has to be moved very, very high into the sky. Great. So, the carry... Oh. And also... I do think I should paste this. This is our answer set. And this is our carry. Great. Alrighty. So, the first two inputs are taken care of. That goes there. Then the carry goes into the carry in for this half adder. And then the next two inputs, oh sorry, full adder, into there. The sum is carried over and repeat 8 times. This is going to be fun. And the best part is, because this is a series of development, you guys get to watch me do it. And you don't have to watch, you can skip, I couldn't care less. I mean, do watch if you do enjoy, but if you don't like watching something repetitive, then don't. Okay, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full ladders, and we have 3. That's nice to know. 4. Uh-oh. Hold on. Stop logging the debug messages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My computer's not liking this very much. 7. We now have our... I can't see anything, so I'm going to spawn in a couple of stop posts, I guess you can call them, along the way, just so I can connect stuff easier. So we're going to start with the end. Actually, you know what we're going to start with? We're going to first connect all the carries up to all the other carries. Carry 1. Carry 2. Carry 3. My computer is not liking this one bit. I had 400 frames per second at the start of this video. How many do I have now? 10 or 13. Big difference. I also can't hear the game anymore. So that's a thing. Now we're going to hook up the sums to the end. Here, I know what I'll do. To make this less I will just move these down. Great. Oh wait, that's already connected. Okay. Hello, sum A. Okay. So we know for I was scared there for a second. But no, everything is all okay. Great. And the carry. So that's been taken care of. Now we just gotta move all these back up to where they belong. Oh, gee, thanks, game. Oh, boy, I don't know how much more my computer can handle, honestly. Great. Well, at least we have the sums and stuff hooked up. Alright, let's do the next couple adders. Let's scooch these on down. Why did I say it like that? I have many regrets. Oh boy. This hurts to look at. I hope I didn't mess up any wires, because those are going to be fun to fix. At least I can tell people I did something cool. I built an 8-bit adder in People Playground. What's an 8-bit adder? It adds numbers. There are 2 digits. Wow. So cool. Oh my jeez. And I don't think I messed anything up. But you never know with this brain of mine. Oh, God. Alright, let's hook it up to some cathode tubes. And I'll freeze them this time. The annoying part is I can't have them vertical because all the inputs are so close together. Alright, fine. Be like that. Freeze and copy and paste. Okay, is there a shortcut? No. You're making me do this manually. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, or the carry. Because he's a good boy. Now put them in front. And if I did everything right, am I testing the entire truth table for an 8-bit adder? Absolutely not. That would take my entire life. So I won't. Wow, that's such a good idea. How do I come up with this stuff? I am beginning to question everything. But hey, I think I'm not going to build the subtractor in this video. I'll build it in the next one. And then there's the multiplier and the divider and the binary switcher and the blah 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 and the I hero die. Anyway. Oh, great. Now I have to they should be frozen, yeah. Okay. 1. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can't even see the inputs anymore. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You know, I had a software for doing stuff like this.
David!
I'm recording!
I'm sorry. Можешь спуститься на секунду?
Hold on.
Okay. Привет.
No. I am recording. Okay. All I have to do is confirm this works, and then I can stop, and I can live my happy life, and I don't have to agonize over this. Please work. Please work. I don't want to do this anymore. Please work. Please work. Please. This is going to be the slowest adder you have seen ever. But if it works, that means I can paste and hook things up correctly without issue. You are joking, right? No? No? I wish there was an undo button in People Playground that didn't just undo. Progress. Why don't I freeze stuff? I thought I froze the stupid cathode tube. Oh, thank God I froze the detectors. Thank God. I'm at least partially not stupid. That means that these are frozen. Or they couldn't have gone very far. It takes one stupid thing. Oh, great. At least I froze the detectors. At least I froze the stupid detectors. Freeze. At least better not move. Good. By the way, this is uncut footage. You're seeing the actual pain and suffering that went into making this. Nothing is fake. I actually have lost a significant amount of the will to live. Anyway, moving along from that. How did this get here? Oh, I see. Why didn't anything freeze? I'm confused. Now, you better be frozen. Good. At least I'm not a total loser. The physics engine of this game doesn't like when thousands of things are dangling around at the... Did you guys see the look of pure joy on my face when I realized that I made a stupid mistake that could have easily been avoided? Was I not that stupid? Yeah, pleasant feelings. Speaking of, go. Do not turn on. I do not want you on yet. Maybe you're one of the lucky ones that actually has to turn on. I don't know. But right now, you don't need to be on, so don't be. Just like you. You don't need to be on. Or you. You don't need to be on. So don't be. Great, that's half of them done. It's gonna get... Excuse me. No. What is going on here? Why is it all the way over here? At this point, I am starting to question what I have done. Freeze you. The game is at 6 frames per second. It is not liking my terrible mistake. But on the plus side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's only 2 more to fix. Wait, what? What is it doing hooked up to this carry? No. This should not be there. Oh, that's probably the problem. My God, where are they? Jesus, they're far away. That hit the floor. They're on the floor. Remember I put this miles up? That was on purpose so this wouldn't happen. Because I know that they require a lot of logic gates. Oh my god, drag. Thank you. Great. Okay. Move this out of the way. Okay. That's finally fixed. And the best part is, I caught a mistake I made along the way. So it's not Freeze. Why are you on? I must have hit F on accident. Please stop being on. Okay, now I'm going to spawn in items beginning with 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. That actually won't work how I want it to. So this is the number 170 in binary code. It's just from the diagram I'm using. It already has the answer in binary, so I don't have to do any extra work. And copy and paste. This is going to be the number 51 in binary, 110110. Oh, sorry, 1100, 1100. So this is the binary code for 170 and 51, which should yield 10111011. Not difficult. Well, I mean, for a computer and for my computer, we're going to unfreeze and then freeze. So what we're looking for is on, off, on, off, on. oh, 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 on, off, on, off, on. Wait, shit. On, off, on, off, on, and no carry. Yes. I did it. There is no carry. There was no carry. I did it. I built it. I built a functioning half adder. I built it. I am a god and nobody can stop me. I am a genius. Not really. Hold on. I need to make sure that if I delete the inputs, that it deletes the answer. It needs to be resettable. This is going to lag a bit. You can hear all the pistons going like clunk, 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 clunk. Alright. That's nice. Delete. Delete. We will now select this entire thing. That is not this entire thing. We will save it as an 8-bit adder. Oh, it's really not having a good time. Boy, oh boy. 3 frames per second. Good. Alright. I'm going to upload this to the workshop. No way. That is 2 megabytes. Jesus. That's a 2 megabyte file. That's the size of a picture. No, it's not. Jesus. That should not be my username. Hold on, let me change my username real quick. All right. Good. There. Okay. My 8-bit adder. You guys can go check that out. Or the one person who happens to watch my videos right now can go check that out. And yeah. Goodbye. That is still... I can't wrap my head around just how big that file was. Alright. Well, that's about all I have for today. We'll leave you. Jim. Of course he dies. There we go. Jim. There we go. Alright. See you guys in the next video when I build the full subtractor, or 8-bit subtractor. See ya.